Okay, so we're kind of at this funny little spot. So it's we're on Rua de Ferrara do Amaral. Kind of got this kind of interesting thing right here, this kind of walkway, and a bunch of appliances in the windows. It's kind of a funny use of space. Anyways, we're gonna walk down here and just kind of see what we can see. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in this funny spot, Rua de Ferrara do Amaral, and this apartments look kind of cool. Yeah, so this is a little walkway. You can get up over the street. And actually, you know, I had another video that started at a Thai restaurant, but I think this one might actually also be, like, I think this under the bridge might have been kind of like a little Thailand area as well as back there. Oh, here's Thai right here. So I guess that's definitely true because there's some Thai characters right here. But anyways, we're kind of in this interesting little spot. You know, it's got this walkway above us, kind of filled with apartments, kind of a street that goes up, a bike that looks like it's part of the scenery almost, about the same color as the flat tire on it too. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna walk on down here and just see what coolness we can see. Huh. Okay. So we're gonna I don't know how we're gonna go over on that side of the street. That's interesting. Oh, I see. So the only way to get over on that side of the street is to go up and over on this side of the street. Oh, that's kind of crazy. Well, anyways, that might be how we end this particular video. You get to see this busy street, and there's basically all these sports shops all the way up and down this street, which is kind of interesting in its own way. So if you want to buy, you know, like Adidas and Columbia and Vans and Puma and Levi's and Adidas again, the two Adidases, yeah, you can do it right there. All right. So okay, so what we're gonna do then is we're going to navigate up this little thing. Looks like people can park in here. And we're kind of back at this kind of cool little space. I like that. Okay. So yeah. So we're just gonna go up here, and we're gonna try to film over the road, and then we'll probably end this one, but you kind of get a little bit below and above. And this overlooks this road with all the Levi's and Vans and Columbia and everything else. And some wires. Yeah, another little slice. It's funny. Pretty cool. So, yeah, let's just take a look on this side. Like a ice cream, that's one of the oldest ice creams in Macau. I think it came in the 1950s, I think. And now they have them in different places, and I think this is the original right there. Anyways, kind of cool. So I think what we're gonna do is just gonna go down and around, and then we'll go down to this little sports, it's basically like a little sports area, so it has all these sports shops. Columbia, there's Converse right there. And then we'll end the video, but at least you kind of get a side of both sides of this. You get to see above and below and on both sides of this main street. Actually, I do want to show one other thing before I go down the sports street, because this particular street is also a really cool one. I'll show you. This one is so, but this one is the cool one. So there was a side video, and that was up there. I filmed all over this area before, so I'm just gonna give you a little taste of it. But But yeah, actually, usually that one is the more photogenic side. So, but I've filmed it a few different times. So today we're just going to film something a little bit different. And this usually I avoid this main street because it's pretty loud with all the traffic. But today I'm willing to take it. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna end this one right here. So there you go. Chiquinha, chiquinha.